Hello, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is Mr. Omondi Steve, and I'm a teacher of mathematics and physics. Currently, I teach at Koigi Secondary School, where I'm doing my seventh year. I'm very passionate about teaching because this is a platform that gives a student equal opportunities to excel. During my time in high school, I had a teacher who really inspired me to grow academically, socially, and also physically. She made sure that I became who I am today. And so I would love to extend the same services to the students of the United States of America. I know that this opportunity will give me a chance to interact with students from various backgrounds and also with teachers from various backgrounds. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much. Well, we have seen how we can get the gradient of a straight line. And I love the way you students have performed in the assignment that I've just given. It's wonderful. Now, I want us to build on a new thing, and we are moving to the equation of a straight line. And in this case, I want us to use this our line because there are key concepts that we are going to confirm from the line. Remember, we had mentioned earlier that the equation of a straight line is given in the form y is equals to mx plus c, where C is the y-intercept, and the y-intercept is the point at which the line cuts the y-axis. For example, in this line, the C is -3. And M here is the gradient of the line. So the gradient of this our line is 2. Of course, y and x, those are just the coordinates of a point. So let us build on the first method where we are going to use using a point and the gradient. The gradient. In this our line, we have point A. We can also use point B, and we have the gradient. So the thing is, we just use a point. So let us pick on point A with coordinates 1, -1. So we have 1, -1. And we must use point, the next point. So I want us to use point C because B already we have here. So we can pick on point C with the coordinates X and Y. And the gradient here that we have, grad, is 2. So what do? We just say that gradient is equals to change in y over change in x. And so the gradient here is 2, and change in y, if this is my final point, then I'm going to pick on y minus -1. And change in x, I'm going to pick x minus 1. So what do I do next? We are going to do the cross multiplication and say y minus -1 is equals to 2 in bracket x minus 1. I want us to make this simpler. When we have y minus -1, these two minuses is like a product of minus which will give us +1. It's equals to 2 times x, we have 2x, and 2 times -1 will have -2. So we make y the subject by eliminating +1. So how do we eliminate +1? We subtract 1 from both sides. So if I subtract 1 from here, I'm going to have y. Then remember, if I'm subtracted 1 on the left hand side, I must also subtract 1 on the right hand side. And so we're going to have y is equals to 2x minus 3. This is the equation of our line here. Now, I want us to relate something here. Remember, we said that C is the point at which the line cuts the y-axis, and if you look at it, C is -3, and it is confirmed here. And look at M. M, we say that it is the gradient, and the gradient of this our line that we have calculated is 2. Confirm it on the equation, it is also 2. So it is done. It is that simple. Good.